Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, TheRealNesters, as you'll see at TheRealNesters, and today I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all 2 YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. What's up, everybody? So, I'm Crystal TheRealNesters, and welcome back to the Thomas Family channel. So today, you know, we've been telling you guys we're going to bring you as many videos as we possibly can. And today, we are doing our different thing. Husband and wife put together. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. We got another little boxy here to put together. Uh-oh, y'all. Look what he got in his hand. Dang, he got the hammer in the... Oh! It's about to get freak nasty up in here.
I'll make sure we got everything.
Who you?
James, Mr. Fix It Real Nester.
Nobody calls him that.
Yeah.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you know, here's our little workspace for now. Until we actually get something that we got to put together to put right there. But we not here yet, baby. We not here yet. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is actually called a pedestal cabinet. Yes, that's what we're putting together today, is a pedestal cabinet, because let me see if I can show y'all. It's a little raggedy. Don't be talking trash about me, y'all. So y'all know we, you know, been here what? About a month. And you guys, your girl do not like these sinks right here. Those little pedestal sinks. Not my friend. So I decided that I was gonna look up online. If you looking for it, if you look for it, you will find it. So anyway, this is a cabinet that we're gonna put together, and then we'll have a space to put all that little knick-knack stuff y'all see right there. So at the end of this video, it will be nice and clean. All right, you know, at some point there's gonna be a fast forward montage, because we're going to put this camera up and let y'all see that we do what we do.
Like that.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all see the construction zone has begun. The construction zone has begun. So this time, our project is going to be a lot better, because look what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Real instructions. Even though y'all know most people don't read them. We just look at the pictures. But we got real instructions. I'm super excited. I've been wanting this since I knew that this existed. Right, babe?
Yep, we got it, and we get ready to get it straight.
So we're going to cut back out, and then we're going to do fast forward montage, and then y'all going to see finish. Yeah. Comment down below. Thumbs up this video in advance. Subscribe to our channel. Yeah, do all that good stuff. I'm telling you in advance. We have a finished product. This is 95% finished. Look at that. I just played assistant this time, but the mean evil boss was still trying to argue with me. Come on, mean evil boss. Let's.
Hand me the chef.
No, we gonna do it in there, in the bathroom. We gotta put it in there. Come on, mean evil boss. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give me 2 seconds. I gotta move all the gunk out the way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I had to go and move my gunk out the way. No, I just swept the area. Oh. So I think he forgot we was recording with his imperfection. So. So, ladies and gentlemen, this has turned out to be a good project. Check that out. So here's the shelf. This is exclusive. Here go the shelf we gotta put in here. I had my strong man move this for me. Y'all know my strong man. Y'all going in there in the closet with it. Uh-oh. What happened? Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on. Shoes go right up in here. Y'all probably never seen this much of somebody's bathroom. Well, I'm lying. Everybody do videos in their bathroom these days.
You got it?
Well, I don't know why it don't. I had to. Oh, there we go. Had to force it to fit the little shelf. Oh yeah, we might have to put something down here. So that's the finish. Yeah, that's the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. So y'all see all that little gunk I had on the floor earlier. Now we got somewhere to store it. It's gonna be nice and clean. And actually this room here is supposed to be here, like for you want to set some sponge or washcloths and stuff like that. And this is actually the standard size that it comes in. I did want it a little bit taller, but hey, we don't always get what we want. But the key is now all my cleaning supplies have a place to go. And I don't know how we can make this a little bit more sturdy. I mean, nobody should be messing with it because it's just us here. But I might try to figure out a way just to make it a little bit more sturdy. But that's the finished product. Yeah! Y'all, ladies and gentlemen, put them hand claps down in the comment. Y'all ain't gotta say that. Just put them hand claps down in the comment. The Thomases have finished another product together, and guess what? Guess what? Here, look. We both are still alive. Yeah, we did kill each other. We made it happen.
I'm half alive.
He said he only half alive. I'm just gonna kick him in the kneecap. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we had some instructions, so that made everything go a little faster. What time we started? Like,
It only took us maybe about 40 minutes.
About 40 minutes, yeah. And that included unpacking the box, rearranging, turning it all around, counting stuff. So yeah, super stoked, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy. So again, this is called a pedestal cabinet. And it's to help you hide your gunk. And now that we're wrapping up this video, boys and girls, I'm actually going to go use this time to store my stuff underneath my beautiful pedestal cabinet. Ask the hubby. I've been wanting this since I found out that it existed, right?
Yeah, so you search high and wide and long.
Yes, sir. So, as always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for spending this time with us. Don't forget to put some hand claps in the comments for us. Give us some thumbs up. Share us out to show people how to put together their pedestal sink. And for those of you who didn't even know about it, give me my props, boo.
Yeah.
Give me my props, boo. Oh, y'all missed it. Y'all missed it. He was dancing. He did a little shimmy. But as always, thank you for spending time with us. Comment down below. Share us out. Give us thumbs up. And y'all know, y'all gotta hit that bell, ladies and gentlemen. So whenever we drop a video, you'll be the first to see it. And we'll see you on the next video. Honey, what you gotta say?
Hey, stop.